Everyone is super jealous of this woman's job, and you won't believe why. She works in post-production sound design, and she got to do the craziest thing at the end. The woman has a studio with all kinds of surfaces to walk on so she can make different sound effects for movies. But her eyes are always locked to the screen because she has to match her own movements with the actors. The end was insane though, and she got hired for the craziest project of her entire life. Her studio's equipped with the most expensive microphones in the world so she can recreate any sound for a movie. The woman has to be extremely careful for every scene, and the clip at the end will shock you. But she even has this water tank to make splashing noises for when an actor jumps into a pool. This was the craziest assignment she ever got though.